The olive is probably one of the most popular fruits around the world. The olive tree originates since the beginning of the world and it is used as food and medicine worldwide. These are facts that are familiar to most. But what most people don't know is that olive leaves are those which have the most healing properties and may cure pneumonia, gonorrhea, tuberculosis, flu, meningitis, herpes, hepatitis B, and many more thanks to the most important compound oleuropein. Another thing that is specific for the olive leaves is that they may be used after surgery for various infections, fungi, and bacteria. This is all thanks to the antiparasitic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties of oleuropein. You may prepare tea from olive leaves, which is great against pneumonia, gonorrhea, tuberculosis, influenza, meningitis, hepatitis B, herpes, chronic fatigue syndrome, atherosclerosis, botulism, malaria, stomach ulcers, diphtheria, urinary tract infections, and encephalitis. Olive leaf tea may not only help you with various diseases, but it may also give a boost to your immune system and new energy. This tea should be consumed after chemotherapy or when you are stressed and panicked and you want to relax. Olive leaf tea recipe. Ingredients needed: 15 to 20 dried olive leaves, 2 to 3 deciliters boiling water. Harvest the leaves in spring and leave them to air dry. When dry, put them in a glass container and keep them in a dark and cold place. To prepare this tea, you will need 15 to 20 leaves. Put the leaves in boiling water and cook them for 10 minutes. Then remove them from the stove and leave the tea to cool down for 15 minutes. If you want, you can add honey or lemon according to your preference. This tea is great for everyone and should be consumed for several weeks in a row in order to feel the benefits.